This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to show you how to add news articles. So if you're lucky enough to have a write-up on one of your horses, you can share that with the owners and keep it in the history of the horse. So first thing to do is go to news, where you can add a horse article here, or again by the add anywhere horse article. Select the horse, select the title, so the easiest is just copy paste, and then input the URL, copy that, and then if you want to enter any information in here you can, create, and that will then just appear in here with the source, and your owners can click out and read the articles. That's it. That's adding an article to your horse in Prism. If you've got any questions on it or need help in finding articles, please don't hesitate to send us an email at support@prism.org.